I'm going to give you a quick introduction to Intelastel, our no-code business application composition platform that helps you create bespoke software out of the box. So when you log in with your registered email address or your Google ID, you're first presented with applications you may have already composed and created. I'm going to create a new application. I'm going to call this App 1. You should review terms and conditions, but given you've done that, you agree to them and create that new application. So the first thing you see is the feeds screen. Here you can see any latest updates from the rest of the team and also publish information to your users. You can expand the sidebar. You can change personal details like phone number and a bit about yourself. If you click on your name down here, it brings up a few options, including the ability to add in data from other systems and also send data out to other systems. By pressing on the Switch to Configurator button, this allows you now to compose that business application. The first thing you do is create entities. So entities describe the records within your application. And just show how it quickly works. I'm going to create a new entity called customer. I'm going to add a new field to customer called name and another new field called email address. And I'm going to add some validation on this field to check that it is an email address when that entry is added. Event flow determines what happens when specific actions occur. So it's a bit like a workflow. Automatically, Intelastel creates a basic event flow for you that allows you to select records and create records. User management is where you invite new users to the application and also define different roles, which enables you to give different roles and different people and different types of users different permissions. You can also change the look and feel of your application here, upload logos, change color schemes, change buttons, things like this to make it really suit your brand and your application. So going back to the client and the feed screen, here you can now see that a new page has been created called customer, which relates back to the entity. I can now select records. As we're just getting started, there are no records there. I can create a record, and this is the customer record that I'm adding in. So I'm going to call Charlie and add an email address called charlie@charlie.com. I'm going to create that record and you'll now see that appear. And that is a whistle-stop tour to Intelastel, our no-code platform, showing you some of the really high-level features that allows you to quickly compose your sophisticated business applications, helping you to create bespoke software out of the box.